Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the baseline. Open Settings, Battery Health, and note the maximum capacity percent. Once done, make sure iOS is updated and the phone is charged to around 40–80% before any intensive steps. This stabilizes calibration. Next, you turn off background app refresh and limit location access for high-drain apps so the phone stops wasting cycles. These actions reduce stress on the battery immediately and prepare the device for deeper maintenance. You now focus on charging patterns because charging behavior drives battery chemistry. Enable optimized battery charging to pause charging at 80% until you need it. This reduces wear over months. Make sure you use the original charger or a certified 18W20W adapter to avoid excess heat. Also, adopt a 20–80% routine where practical. This minimizes stress versus full cycles. Finally, monitor heat. If the device gets hot while charging, remove the case to let heat dissipate and protect battery longevity. You finish with maintenance and a troubleshooting tip. Every few months, run a calibration. Charge to 100%, use the phone until about 10%, then recharge to 100% to help the system estimate capacity accurately. If battery health drops below roughly 80% and you notice major decline, plan a battery replacement. That restores real-world runtime. If you see sudden rapid drain, check battery usage diagnostics. Reset all settings if needed, and contact Apple service. This single troubleshooting step often reveals hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.